Lopez.
What could you possibly have to say that I'd want to hear, Rock?
Time to face the facts, Jack. Frankly, you're fucked. There's a rich Russian having a powwow with the old man about you and the fag. FYI, they ain't talking about handing you a special commendation.
Well, what the fuck are me and Tho supposed to do about that?
Let's leave the homo out of this for a minute. Meet me and Uncle Vincenzo in the public toilets in Middle Park. We gotta talk in person.
That's what I told him. That shit would never have happened back in the day.
What's up, ladies? Still living the high life, I see.
Fuck you.
What you doing here, cruising?
It's very funny.
You know, Mr. Ancelotti's still blaming all that diamond shit for Gracie's kidnap?
Well, you did bring the heat down on the club, so I can understand why they blame you.
Yeah, and those chinks, they're still fucking pissed at that dispute of ours.
Again, fair enough.
Whatever, it don't matter, all right? What matters is the Russian has come to Mr. Ancelotti and said he wants the head of anyone involved with the diamonds. Now, on top of all that Gracie and chink shit, the old man is pissed. He wants blood. I think we can cut a deal. We give him one body, all right? So basically, it's you or Tony. One of you has to die. Me and Vince would prefer to work with you in the clubs over the faggot, so you're lucky. You kill Tony. You get to keep the clubs. You and us together, partners. Either that, or the Russian is gonna send some serious people round to whack you and the fag with Ancelotti's sanction.
Yeah, you'll both get whacked.
You're way out of your league, kid. And you're a fucking loser hanging out with children living a fantasy life. I ain't killing Tony, but I may be about to kill you two fucks, though.
Then you're a dead man. You and your family and those spick drug dealers you hang out with, you're all dead. It's your choice.
It ain't our fault.
Fuck you!
Think about it. I'll be in touch. You fucking spick.
What's happening? Stuff got weird with Tony, Des. There's some really bad shit that might be about to happen in there.
Oh!
There he is.
Thank God you got here, Luis. These fucking guys. Talk to them. Tell them we can figure it out.
It ain't that simple, Tone.
Sure it is. We got money coming. We can expand, refurb, rebrand. I'm an earner. I'm a survivor. I've been in this game since 1987.
Ouch. The terrible irony. You better tell him.
Tony, man.
What?
Things are kind of fucked, man. These guys, man. These fucking guys. You never should have brought them in, man. Now somebody's got to... You know.
The Mex is with us now.
You gotta be fucking kidding me!
Times change, Tony. Your brand of charming homosexuality, it's kind of run out of steam. Someone has to pay for what's gone down. Do it.
Sorry. I'm sorry, man.
After all we've been through, Lou!
I'm sorry, T. You was family, man. But it's either you or all of us.
The Russians are coming, man. We don't got time for this gay shit.
Fucking pop him already!
You fucking moron!
Hey, I had second thoughts, man.
You fucking killed yourself just then! There's Russians, fucking everyone, they're coming after you! The old man, you're fucking dead! The both of you, they're coming any second and they're expecting corpses!
We better not disappoint then.
Ah, keep your head, Lou. He's a made guy.
Fuck him!
All right, get out of here, Rocco! This is for the old man, and that's it!
You're a dead man, Taco!
Get out of my club, you fucking mook! You sure that was smart?
You sure not shooting me was smart? I don't think so. All right, if we're gonna operate, we're gonna need some goodwill here.
What now?
I don't know. Didn't he say the Russians are coming?
Doesn't stop, does it?
Must be him. Now we really need a refurb. Are you joking? More of these bastards? I bet you wish you could. One of us goes out, we both go. Didn't tell me there was this many, Luis.
Get the fuck out of Mason, that asshole!
Perfect! More goons to ruin my club! That's the fucking bomb, asshole! Oh shit! How many of these guys are there?
Must have been the first time in his life he wasn't talking shit.
Get a fucking army! There's more of them here! T, what's happening? You're fucking kidding me! Get out of here!
Oh, yeah, you're so tough, huh?
A lot more of them are arriving outside.
Then we're gonna have to go meet him, boss. It's gotta end sometime.
Take them out, Lou, please! Please, get out there!
You wanna step to this? Are you fucking kidding me? Even water? Send more guys? What a fucking idiot. Killing him will be fun. Yeah, you fuck! No, boss. I think we're clear out here. Come out.
Tried to kill me, Lou! You wanted to fucking kill me!
Tony, man, what the fuck? We got through it. We beat them.
Who'd we beat? A couple of goons? The guys who wanted us dead are still out there! I'm done! I'm packing up and I'm leaving town! I'm heading to a spa town in the desert! It's been nice knowing you!
Don't be stupid, T. T, please, don't be stupid. I'll just come find you. Shit.